This is Maili, and I'm right here in the beginning of a kind of interesting hike here, so I will let this crew pass and then I will go to the top. It will be kind of interesting. I talked to a guy the other day and he said he did it in like 15-20 minutes. And you know, that is probably not correct, so because it's very steep, I'm guessing it will be more like half an hour, right? And people come here to see the sunset. There are actually people running up and down this slope here. And that is, of course, very good exercise. It looks really good now, when the sun is almost down. Well, it looks like we still have another 15 minutes before we reach the top here. Oh man, it's like straight up. I can't believe it. You need to be like a jungle cat in order to go up there in 15. It's like straight up. Wow, okay, let's do it. And we are coming up to this cool looking tree. Hi guys, how are you? How are you? Tired? No tired? Alright. Are you on the way up?
Going down.
Oh, they're going down, these guys. I've already been up there. Alright.
You can do it.
I will do it. Yeah, they have another path here. This is the easy one. They have one that is going straight up. I mean, if you can climb that, pick the other one. I need to do the easy one, like this. The old people way, right? I mean, take a look. It's almost like stairs or steps. Thank you, nature, for thinking on people like me. I'm looking back. We still have people coming up. Everybody wants to go to the top. And I don't know what's wrong with these trees here. They are just holding on to these beautiful cliffs here. Wow, all over the ground here. Like hugging the side here. The trail just turned here. And these people are done. You guys are done, right? Whew. Have a nice evening, guys.
You got it.
In many ways, this is like trekking in Nepal, when you basically go up all these, you know, walkways right next to the mountainside. The only thing here is that this is not Nepal, it's Hawaii. Oh. But it's similar. All right. Yeah, come on. How was it? Was it good?
Good, yeah.
Great hike, right?
Have a good one, guys. Yeah.
Somebody's behind me here. I'm almost up. And all the way at the top, it's like a pink pillbox. So let's go up there. And it's definitely a popular place to check out the sunset. Wow, look at the ocean. Endless ocean. It's so pretty. Wow, look at this. A little Hawaiian house up here. My God, what kind of place is this? All right, let's take a look. Wow. The military used to hang out here in the past. What a crazy place. Yeah, this is one way of having a picnic. You go up to one of these pillboxes here, or bunkers, you sit down, eat your bento box, and this is it. Maili's pink pillbox. Definitely a pink pillbox, even inside. Somebody actually brought some paint up here, can't believe it. Wow. And you have some fantastic view on the other side here, take a look. Yeah, I'm not going to go up to the other bunker. No way. It's not going to happen. Holy cow, look at the highway down there. My God. Yeah, I know it's crazy. I don't know what I'm doing here. Recently I've been doing all this stupid stuff. Somebody's up there. What's going on here? I mean, you can't continue to walk here, right? But if you go up to the other one, you might as well just slide down on the other side there. Wow. Why did I go up here? I don't know.
Oh, because there's a sunset, you see? On this
No, I
side.
know, I get that, but I mean, I'm so stupid. I could see the sunset from the beach, and I'm up here scared like crazy. Yeah.
It's the challenge, it's the beauty, and you're up here and it's free.
I'll tell you one thing, it's definitely a challenge.
Yes. Yes.
And this could be my last trip ever, right? Anytime.
Always be positive, okay?
All right, okay.
Yeah, you're
I did it. Nothing left to see. Let's go down. Ciao, guys. I'm hiding behind the door here. I have only one hand. Okay, now we can see it. Here's the sunset. The beautiful sunset at the pink pillbox in Maili. Have a wonderful evening, guys.